Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to everybody. Honorable guest Dr. Haji Muhammad Dani Johansah, Chief Executive Interdis 2025, Dr. Apotheker Entris Sutrisno, Head of Aptisi Commissariat, and Dr. Lukman ST as a Head of LL Dikti Region 4, and all the audience. This morning I would like to present my paper regarding the tools and techniques for improving maturity partnering in Indonesia construction project. First, introduction of this paper, partnering concept. The definition of partnering refers to a collaborative approach between stakeholders to enhance construction project outcomes. It derives better communication, trust, and joint goals among government and private sector. And implementation models in partnering. Partnering can follow solicited or unsolicited model. Solicited partnerships arise from predefined governmental frameworks, while unsolicited ones stem from private sector initiative. The advantage for collaboration and value creation. Effective partnering facilitates reduction in project costs, quality improvements, timely completion, and strengthened relationship between stakeholders. The objective of this study, first, analysis of partnering depth. The study aims to evaluate how partnering can be measured effectively at various construction life cycle and establish benchmark to enhance collaboration. Second one is formulation of indicators. Development of indicators like trust, accountability, and transparency to track partnering maturity and depth at inception, design, and implementation phases. And the third as a tools focus on project phases. The research introduced tailored tools for each phase of the project life cycle to assess and improve partnering practices dynamically. Some problems in construction industry. First, poor workmanship. The lack of skilled labor leads to substandard construction practices, resulting in delays and cost overruns. The second one, material unavailability. Influence planning and supply chains issues hinder timely delivery of essential materials on site. The third, inadequate supervision, weak project management and oversight lead to errors and inefficiencies during execution. And four, unclear instruction. Ambiguity in plans and communication drives misunderstanding between stakeholders, reducing productivity. And the last one is external factors. It's political instability and advanced weather condition negatively affect project timeless and worker efficiency. Challenge in waste management. Design change, frequent or poorly managed change disrupt workflows and increase in material waste. Slow decision-making. Delay approvals from stakeholders result in stalled process and increased costs. Lack of skilled workers. Inefficient training in waste reduction techniques affects optimal resource utilization. The importance of partnering. Benefits of partnering is one, improvement in project cost management. Partnering mitigate cost overruns through better collaboration, optimize resource allocation, and effective problem-solving strategies. Enhance quality standards. Trust-based partnership foster meticulous work execution, resulting in higher conformity to specification and reduce reworks rate. The third, timeliness in project delivery. Coordinates effort among stakeholders, enhance schedule adherence, and timely issue resolution, and reducing project delays. Improve safety performance. Join safety training programs and share safety accountability, minimize occupational hazard and incidents. And the last one is environmental advantages. By collaborating on sustainable practices, partnering promotes environmentally friendly methods like waste reduction and material optimization. I would like to share the previous research on partnering. The first one, investigation of partnering factors. Studies have identified commitment, trust, communication, and fairness as critical factors reducing successful partnering. Challenge in partnering implementation. Research highlights barriers like differing management styles, resistance to change, and lack of structured process as obstacle. And the third, levels of partnering maturity. Findings emphasize the progression from basic, managed, to institutionalized levels, showcasing variations in commitment and integration. The partnering indicator of maturity partnering. First, trust as a fundamental matrix incorporates the stakeholders' ability to rely on each other's commitment and competence through the project phases. Second one, transparencies in processes. Ensure the communication channels are clear, open, and inclusive, enabling consistent enhancement of information. And the third, risk-sharing practices. Establish equitable distribution of risk among stakeholders, reinforcing accountability and collaborative resistance. Maturity partnering levels. The first one, no partnering, mean level 0, represent a situation where partnering principle or structured collaboration are absent, leading to fragmented operation and reduced synergy. Basic partnering, level 1, characterized by informal or ad hoc collaborative processes when minimal efforts are made to integrate stakeholders into a cohesive strategy. Divine partnering, level 2, includes the establishment of written plans and basic performance metrics for partnership, promoting initial alignment of project objective. Managed partnering, this is level 3, introduce organization-wide standard and structure strategies, ensuring that partnering is systematically incorporated through the project phases. And the last one is the level 4, institutionalized partnering, represent the highest maturity levels where partnering is embedded within the organizational strategy, fostering continuous improvement and innovation. Partnering in project life cycles. Partnering in initiation phase, define clear objective, establishing clear and measurable objective facilitates collaboration by aligning stakeholder priorities for transparent goal setting. Stakeholder involvement strategies. Implement stakeholder training and early engagement approaches to foster participation before the design begins. Strengthen leadership capacities. Effective leadership training ensure decision-making abilities among involved parties, enhancing team coordination during initial planning. Partnering in design and implementation. Utilize integrated project delivery, IPD. So the IPD promotes the collaborative determination of project scope even before initial design, reducing future conflicts and inefficiency. Second one, optimize interdisciplinary collaboration, encouraging input across engineering, subcontractor, and suppliers, ensure conformance to specification and reduce design redundancies. The third one, enhance documentation processes, establish meticulous communication and documentation practices to streamline workflows and track engineering and design progress comprehensively. Research methodology, schematic literature review, identifying research gap, comprehensive analysis of prior research highlight gaps in knowledge about partnering in Indonesian construction project, particularly through project life cycle. Recognizing relevant variables influencing partnering depth, such as stakeholder collaboration, environmental factors, and cost management are extracted from the existing literature. Structure approach. The SLR employs systematic methods to merge findings from journal, books, and documented research, ensuring the formulation of a cohesive research framework. Result and analysis. First, validated partnering factors. Performance metric as a maturity indicator. Assess the application and effectiveness of KPI in evaluating collaboration depth, including metrics related to cost, schedule, safety, and quality. Stakeholder participation and engagement measures the extent of involvement from project initiation to execution, ensuring alignment with broader partnering objective. Waste management strategies. Analyze the project approach to reducing material waste, logistical inefficiency, and environmental impact. Validated partnering factors, that's transparency and trust building. Evaluate initiative promoting open communication among stakeholders to foster mutual respect and reduce risk. Long-term partnership development. Assess frameworks supporting repeated collaboration to improve project outcomes and relationship. Case study in this paper, partnering in Indonesia design-build project. Project performance evaluation. First, identification of gaps in low partnering project. Project with low partnering maturity typically suffer from systematic issues such as design change during implementation and unclear project documentation, leading to cost overruns and delays. Institutionalized partnering enhancement. In contrast, Projects with well-institutionalized partnering consistently demonstrated better performance through adherence to structured goal, improved collaboration, and management efficiency. Impact on key deliverable. Evaluation revealed that project outcomes significantly improved in areas such as time completion, reduced overhead costs, and higher design conformity when partnering maturity was higher. Maturity partnering simulation, correlation with trust and risk sharing. Deeper partnering simulation showcase enhanced trust among stakeholders, leading to effective risk management and joint accountability through the project life cycle. Identification of maturity level in project. Projects were categorized into levels: basic, divine, managed, and institutionalized, with higher level associated with better project implementation and alignment with strategic organizational goals. The effect of partnering depth on organization. Simulation revealed that institutionalized partnering became an integral part of the organizational culture, which improved innovation, stakeholder integration, and sustained project quality. And finally, I would like to make a conclusion. The implication for the industry. Adoption of structured strategies, emphasizing institutionalized partnering processes, foster consistent collaboration, and improves transparencies among stakeholders during construction project. KPI integration for partnering culture. Developing key performance indicators enable systematic measurement of collaboration impact, driving productivity improvements, and aligning project goals with stakeholder expectation. Training and leadership enhancement. Industry players should implement training programs and leadership strategies to establish early collaboration and holistic project integration practices. Role of technology in partnering, advocating for tools such as integrated project delivery system to streamline communication and clarify, encouraging enhanced accountability. Sustainability consideration in partnering, promoting environmentally friendly practices through material optimizing and stakeholder cooperation enhance the sustainable execution of project. That's what I can present in this opportunity. Thank you very much for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.